Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH. This video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exam like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Rishikesh, ICMR Bhubaneswar, CUET PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH Nimhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA, and for other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online offline coaching or want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information regarding important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here first question is, pentavalent vaccine contains option A DPT hepatitis B pneumococcal, B DPT hepatitis B IPV, option C DPT hepatitis B Haemophilus influenza B, option D DPT Haemophilus influenza B IPV. So its correct answer is option C, that is DPT hepatitis B Haemophilus influenza B. Pentavalent vaccine contains, correct answer is option C, that is DPT hepatitis B Haemophilus influenza B. Its explanation is, a pentavalent vaccine, also known as a 5-in-1 vaccine, is a combination vaccine with 5 individual vaccines conjugated into one. Pentavalent vaccine frequently refers to the 5-in-1 vaccine protecting against diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, hepatitis B and influenza type B, which is generally used in middle and low income countries where polio vaccine is given separately. Next question is second, father of evidence based medicine is. Who is father of evidence based medicine? Option A Sackett, B Da Vinci, option C Hippocrates, option D Tolstoy. Correct answer is option A, that is Sackett. So father of evidence based medicine is Sackett. Its explanation is, he founded first department of clinical epidemiology in Canada, founded Oxford Center for EBM, wrote books, first clinical epidemiology, second evidence based medicine. So clinical epidemiology and evidence based medicine, these books are also written by Sackett, and he founded first department of clinical epidemiology in Canada and founded Oxford Center for EBM. Next question third, who is the chief technical advisor to the government on all matters relating to medical case and public health at the center? Option A Health Secretary, option B Health Minister, option C Director of Health Services, option D Director General of Health Services. Correct answer is option D, that is Director General of Health Services. So here question is, who is the chief technical advisor to the government on all matters relating to medical case and public health at the center? Correct answer is Director General of Health Services. Its explanation is, the Director General of Health Services is a repository of technical knowledge concerning public health, medical education and health care. It is an attached organization of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Director General of Health Services is headed by Director General of Health Services DGSS, an officer of Central Health Services who renders technical advice on all medical and public health matters to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 4 is, which organization works as an administrative unit for implementation of family welfare programs in all districts of the state and functioning at state headquarters? Option A the State Family Welfare Bureau, option B the District Family Welfare Bureau, option C the National Family Welfare Bureau, option D the International Family Welfare Bureau. Correct answer is the State Family Welfare Bureau. So option A the State Family Welfare Bureau is correct answer. Here question is, which organization works as an administrative unit for implementation of family welfare programs in all districts of the state and functioning at state headquarters. Correct answer is the State Family Welfare Bureau. Next question is, what is the main aim of Janani Suraksha Yojana, which is the program by the Family Welfare Program? Option A, reducing maternal and neonatal mortality. Option B, to encourage people to use safe sexual methods. Option C, to provide pensions to widow women. Option D, to provide shelters to poor people. So correct answer is option A, that is reducing maternal and neonatal mortality. So question is, what is the main aim of Janani Suraksha Yojana, which is the program by the Family Welfare Program? Correct answer is reducing maternal and neonatal mortality. So reducing maternal and neonatal mortality is the main aim of Janani Suraksha Yojana, which is the program by the Family Welfare Program. Next question 6. Which one of the following is the main target of family welfare programs? Option A, couples in the fertile age. Option B, male after fertile age. Option C, children below 12 years. Option D, women after fertile age. Correct answer is option A, that is couples in the fertile age. So question is, which one of the following is the main target of family welfare program? So the main target of family welfare program is couples in the fertile age. Couples in the fertile age is the main target of family welfare programs. Next question is, which is the first state in India to recognize the basic relevance of family planning to nation planning? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Goa. Correct answer is option A, that is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India to recognize the basic relevance of family planning to nation planning. Next question is, why is family planning important? Option A, to get pregnant before the age of 20. Option B, for having unwanted pregnancies. Option C, for having child every year. Option D, for birth control issues. So correct answer is option D, for birth control issues. Question is, why is family planning important? Correct answer is for birth control issues. Option D is correct. Next question is 9. In WHO, World Health Organization recommended death certificate, main underlying cause of death is recorded on. Option A, line LA, option B, line LB, option C, line LC, option D, line second. Correct answer is line second. So question is, in WHO recommended death certificate, main underlying cause of death is recorded on. Correct answer is line second. So in WHO recommended death certificate, main underlying cause of death is recorded on line second. Next question is 10. At what point in time is the population assessed for calculation of the crude death rate? Option A, 1st January. Option B, 1st May. Option C, 1st July. Option D, 31st December. Correct answer is option C, that is 1st July. Question here is, at what point in time is the population assessed for calculation of the crude death rate? Correct answer is 1st July. So 1st July is the time the population assessed for calculation of the crude death rate. Next question 11. What is coronavirus? So what is coronavirus? Option A, it is a large family of viruses. Option B, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Option C, both A and B are correct. Option D, only A is correct. Correct answer is option C, that is both A and B are correct. So what is coronavirus? Option A, that is it is a large family of viruses. Option B, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. So both option A and B are correct. Its explanation is, coronaviruses are a large family of viruses and belong to the nidovirus family or nidovirus order, which includes Coronaviridae, Artiviridae and Roniviridae families. Next question is 12. Health paradox refers to option A, high income with high human development. Option B, low income with high human development. Option C, low mortality with high morbidity. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, that is low mortality with high morbidity. Health paradox refers to, correct answer is option C, that is low mortality with high morbidity. Its explanation is the male-female health survival paradox, also known as the morbidity mortality paradox or gender paradox, is the phenomenon in which women experience more medical conditions and disability during their life, but they unexpectedly live longer than men. Next question is 13. World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Option A COVID-19, B COVID-19, option D C COVID-20, option D COVID-19. Correct answer is option A, that is COVID-19. So World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Correct answer is option A, that is COVID-19. Its explanation is World Health Organization WHO named the disease that is caused by the novel coronavirus as COVID-19. Question 14. Example of tertiary health care. Option A cardiac surgery, option B plastic surgery, option C cancer management, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D, that is all the above. So example of tertiary health care, all three options, that is cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, cancer management, these all are the example for tertiary health care. So its explanation is once a patient is hospitalized and needs a higher level of specialty care within the hospital, he may be referred to tertiary care. Tertiary care requires highly specialized equipment and expertise. At this level, you will find procedures such as coronary artery bypass surgery, renal or hemodialysis, and some plastic surgeries or neurosurgeries. Example of tertiary care services are cancer management, neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, treatment for severe burns, advanced neonatology services, palliative and other complex medical and surgical interventions. Next question is the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in option A Beijing, option B Shanghai, option C Wuhan, Hubei, option D Tianjin. Correct answer is option C, that is Wuhan, Hubei. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei. Its explanation is the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. Next question 16. NRHM stands for option A National Rural Health Mission, option B National Remote Health Mission, option C National and Regional Health Management, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A, that is National Rural Health Mission. NRHM stands for, correct answer is National Rural Health Mission. Its explanation is the National Rural Health Mission NRHM, now under National Health Mission, is an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of underserved rural areas. Launched on 12th April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the NRHM was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. Next question is 17. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means option A birth rate, option B IMR, option C death rate, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A, birth rate. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means, correct answer is birth rate. Explanation is the crude birth rate in a period is the total number of live births per thousand population divided by the length of the period in years. The number of live births is normally taken from a universal registration number for births. Population counts from a census and estimation through specialized demographic techniques. The birth rate is used to calculate population growth. Question 18. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Option A MERS, option B SARS, SARS, option C both A and B, option D neither A or nor B. Correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. So question is which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Option A MERS MERS and option B SARS SARS. both diseases are related to coronavirus. Its explanation is coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more other serious diseases like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. So Middle East Respiratory Syndrome is the full form of MERS, MERS-CoV, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, full form of SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS-CoV. So both of these diseases are related to coronavirus. Next question 19. Health is a test subject. Option A central, option B state, option C concurrent, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B, that is state. Health is a state subject. Its explanation is public health is a state subject. The interventions under National Rural Health Mission NRHM are aimed towards by supplementing the efforts of the states in this direction. The central government enacts laws but implementation rests with the state government. Next question is 20. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are option A fever, option B cough, option C shortness of breath, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are, so the mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough, shortness of breath. Its explanation is people infected with novel coronavirus of 2019 and CoV reported with mild symptoms, namely fever, cough and shortness of breath, whereas other common symptoms may include runny nose, headache, sore throat, a general feeling of unwell, etc. So next question is 21. The state of being free from illness or injury means option A happiness, option B fitness, option C disease, option D health. Correct answer is option D, that is health. The state of being free from illness or injury means correct answer is option D, that is health. Its explanation is health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being in which disease and infirmity are absent. Question 22. From where coronavirus got its name? Option A due to their coron-like projections, option B due to their leaf-like projections, option C due to their surface structure of bricks, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A, due to their coron-like projections. Question is from where coronavirus got its name? Correct answer is due to their coron-like projections. Explanation is due to their coron-like projections on the surfaces, coronavirus got their name. The virus resembles a coron when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin means hello or coron. Next question 23, which refers to the work of health care professionals who act as a first point of consultation for all patients within the health care system. Option A primary care, option B secondary care, option C urgent care, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A primary care. So which refers to the work of health care professionals who act as a first point of consultation for all patients within the health care system. Correct answer is primary care. Primary care refers to the work of health care professionals who act as a first point of consultation for all patients within the healthcare system. Explanation is primary healthcare refers to a broad range of health services provided by medical professionals in the community. Your general practitioner GP is a primary healthcare provider, and so are nurses, pharmacists and allied health providers like dentists. Question 24. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Option A cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. Option B add more garlic into your diet. Option C visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment. Option D wash your hands after every hour. Correct answer is option A cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. So question is what are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Correct answer is cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. Explanation is according to World Health Organization WHO, a person can take precautions by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing via tissue or an elbow, then immediately throw the tissue into a closed dustbin. Question 25. Which is the health care services provided by medical specialists and other health professionals who generally do not have first contact with patients? Option A, primary care. Option B, secondary care. Option C, urgent care. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, secondary care. Question is, which is the health care services provided by medical specialists and other health professionals who generally do not have first contact with patients? Correct answer is secondary care. Explanation is, physical therapist, respiratory therapist, speech therapist, occupational therapist, and other allied health professionals often work in secondary care. Question 26. Which is a specialized consultative health care? Option A, primary care. Option B, secondary care. Option C, urgent care. Option D, tertiary care. Correct answer is option D, tertiary care. Question is, which is a specialized consultative health care? Correct answer is tertiary care. So tertiary care is a specialized consultative health care. Its explanation is, patients being treated requiring a higher level of care in a hospital may be considered to be in tertiary care. Physicians and equipment at this level are highly specialized. Next question 27. Which of the following country was the first to authorize the PFI-ZER, preferred BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine in 2020? Option A, USA. B, Russia. C, China. D, UK. Correct. E, Italy. Correct answer is option D, UK, United Kingdom. So UK was the first country, was the first to authorize the preferred BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine in 2020. Its explanation is, the United Kingdom, UK, has become the first country in the world to approve the coronavirus vaccine from Pfizer, PFI-ZER, that is NYSE, PFE, and BioNTech, Nasdaq, BNTX, which has been shown to offer up to 95% protection against COVID-19. Next question 28. Which agency defined health as a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of illness or disease? Option A, UNICEF. B, WHO. C, WTO. D, ADB. Correct answer is option B, WHO. So WHO is the agency defined health as a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of illness or disease. Explanation is, World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Question 29. ICDS stands for: option A, Integrated Child Development Scheme. Option B, Indian Child Development Scheme. Option C, Integrating Child Development Support. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A. ICDS stands for Integrated Child Development Scheme. Its explanation is, implantable cardioverter defibrillator (ICD). ICDs are useful in preventing sudden death in patients with non-sustained ventricular fibrillation. Studies have shown ICDs to have a role in preventing cardiac arrest in high-risk patients who have not had but are at risk for life-threatening ventricular arrhythmias. Question 30. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is: option D, decrease the fertility rate. Option B, reduce the birth rate. Option C, reduction of MMR. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, reduction of MMR. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is, correct answer is reduction of MMR. Explanation is, Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY is a safe motherhood intervention under the National Rural Health Mission NRHM being implemented with the objective of reducing maternal and neonatal mortality by promoting institutional delivery among the poor pregnant women. The Yojana, launched on 12th April 2005 by Honorable Prime Minister, is being implemented in all states and union territories with a special focus on low performing states. So in this video, important 30 questions have been given, which are very useful for various university and institutes MPH entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exam, and for online or offline coaching. And important questions PDF note they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.